Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen, where we cook delicious meals that are very easy to prepare. If you're new here, karibu sana, and please feel free to subscribe and press the notification button down below, so once I upload a video you'll be able to be notified. So today we will be cooking coconut vegetable fried rice. Karibu. For coconut vegetable fried rice, we need 1.5 cups of white rice, 1 chopped onion, finely chopped garlic and ginger, diced yellow and red capsicum, a mixture of green peas and diced carrots. For this, I did blanch them. Also, we need 1.5 cups of coconut milk, 1.5 cups of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of cumin, and salt to taste. So let's get cooking. In your sufuria, put the beef broth and the coconut milk, and the spices, and let it boil. So guys, the rice is cooked. So I'm going now to fry the rice with the vegetables in a pan. Put some oil, put your onions, garlic and ginger, and let it saute for like 2 to 3 minutes. Add your bell peppers or capsicum, so once they have sauteed, add your carrots and your green peas. Now add your rice gradually. and ensure everything is well mixed. Also make sure your rice does not mash. My rice is ready. I'm going to plate it. So that's all we had for you today, good people. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more of these quick and easy delicious homemade meal recipes. Till next time, Oriti!